we found a big, gigantic moth in the window. And it's stuck in the window, but my mom's going to get it out.
No. How did you get in there?
I don't know. Oh, my God. This is his trust. No, he's not.
Is he dead? He might be dead.
No, you can move this side over, Mom. Maybe.
Yeah, here.
How did you get in there?
Move, I'm going to be late. Who knows how bugs get in places.
I'm not going to see that anymore.
Is he dead?
No, I don't think so. Is he dead?
Move this.
I'm going to hold him. I'll hold it.
I think he's dead. He's not even moving.
Oh, wait, Mom. Let me touch him. Jimmy, no. You don't have to touch him.
This glass here, and this part of it's broken. I don't want anyone to get hurt, okay? Let me get him.
Here it is.
Is he dead?
Oh, that's big. That's a big moth.
Is he dead? Oh, hurry up and put him on a tree. Oh, he's beautiful. It's a butterfly.
It is? No, I want to hold him.
Okay, here. No, Jimmy, ask first. Hurry up, he's going to go away. Don't.
Oh, he's not. There he goes. Whoa, where is he going now? Where did he go? I still see him. Okay, that's going to go. Right on the tree. Where? Right up in the tree. Oh, really? Smart moth. Wow. That's a really big moth. Look at that, he's still alive. I mean, there was a big spider in there. There was a big spider in there. That was really a big moth. I've never seen one like that.